Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set ringtone on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on phone ringtone. Now from here, you can choose from the default ringtones on your smartphone. Just like that. Or you can set your favorite music as your ringtone. Now to do that, just tap on custom ringtone. Now from here, just select your favorite music from the downloaded musics on your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, if you go back, now as you can see, we have set our favorite music as our custom ringtone. And this is how you can set ringtone on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.